Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Naomi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you stay and I hope you enjoy my videos. Alright, so today the makeup tutorial I'll be doing is inspired by these two beautiful ladies. This is Chloe and Halle. Everybody knows them, I think. Yeah, their voices are amazing. So over the past years I've been noticing the kind of makeup that these girls wear. Like, it's so pretty. It looks like they're not doing so much, but at the same time the makeup is banging. So before you start off with any kind of makeup, you want to make sure that your skin is properly cleansed, and I'm using the micellar Beauty Formulas micellar cleansing water. After that, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro HD primer. So I'm just going to take a little. Oh shit, moisturize. I did not moisturize. Hold on a minute. I'll be using this one from Neutrogena, and I'll just put this on the head point of my face. Don't worry, I'll blend the two of them together. So I'm going to give that time to dry down properly before I apply the primer at the back of my hand, okay? I'm grown now. I'm going to be using a very little amount of foundation, but I'll also be mixing it with the Neutrogena body oil. Let me turn this music down. Warm up my under eye area with a little bit of concealer, and I'm using this one from LA Girl. So I'm going to look up and use my finger to apply this directly under my eye. I'm going to really blend this into my eye area. Serious. Can you guys see the difference between this eye and this eye? Like, it just literally lifts up your eye area. Can you see? Just a little concealer. Already mixed a little bit of my leftover foundation here with the oil, so I'm going to go over any blemishes on my face and just tap like that. It has a lot around here, so I'm just going to use my fingers to massage this and cover them up. I'm going to put a little. This is weird, you guys, but I'm going to blend this into my skin, and you see how beautiful this looks. You guys see that? It blended into my skin completely, like mad. You don't have to do this step. This step is like totally optional, but since I'm not doing any of those contouring and highlighting, I felt like let's just do this. Yes, girl. So I went back with some concealers because, you know, I'm extra. I thought I needed to build up some more coverage underneath my eye area, hence why I'm using another concealer. And this one is from Zaroncosmetics. It's one of their liquid concealer. So I'm going to let it dry down just a little bit so it gets tacky before I blend. And guys, what I learned is that your hands are your best tool ever, and this is like literally my first time using my hands to do any kind of makeup on this channel, and I've been loving it. And I think like you work a little bit faster with your hands, okay? And yeah. And yes guys, as I'm blending with my fingers, I noticed there are some harsh lines around, and I needed my beauty blender to, you know, diffuse it and make sure everything is smooth and, you know, well laid. Okay, so now I'm going to set the rest of my face first, and I'll be using this Maybelline compact powder in shade Warm. I'm going to be using this big powder brush from Zaroncosmetics to I'm just going to lightly dab. Do not forget your neck, guys. My under eye, I'll use a lighter shade of powder to set that in place. And I'm using my translucent setting powder. It's kind of like white in here. Look up. Just you can use a big brush, you can use any brush that you feel very comfortable with, but this is what I'm using today. So I'm going to go over it with this big brush and very feathery and, you know, soft. It's not too defined, and I kind of like that kind of brow because, yeah, it's actually very easy to work with, which I'm going to be trying to be using. I'll be using today is this one from Younger Beauty. This one is their brow lotion, and this to start drawing hair-like strokes, you know, in the direction which my hair will grow, and I'll focus on the areas where I don't have a lot of hair, and that should be around the tail part of my brow. And yeah, that's cute. I don't want to do too much, and I feel like that's okay. And yeah, that's it. And by the way, you guys, if you want to see a detailed brow tutorial, I have one on my channel. I just filmed it recently. If you click on this link here or here, it'll pop up, so just click on that and you'll be able to watch it. Alright, what I want to do is to set my entire face using this badescu skincare. It's a facial spray with aloe vera, herbs and rose water. So I'm going to let it dry and we can move on to mascara. Yeah, I'm actually going back with a little bit of blush to still warm up my cheeks because we're not doing contouring and I want these cheeks to pop, you know. So I'm just touching it, and as I'm doing it, it's coming out really good because I had that lipstick under it before, and now I'm just tapping like gently. I'm going to move some of that to my forehead as well. So, and you know, try putting the mascara from top and curling this out. Yes, my lashes are back. And fun fact, yeah, my bottom lashes are usually longer than my top lashes, which is weird sometimes. So that's okay. They are wearing a bold pink lipstick. I think it's pink or reddish, I'm not sure, but I have one here. This one is from Absolute New York, and it's just like so. I think it's just the perfect lipstick. about to go down.